Good morning. Happy 420, my investing friends. It is Tuesday. Looking at my stock of the year, Ford Motor Company. I'd like to remind everybody that I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. Also, to subscribers, thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also to the notification bell as well. It's all free. Thank you. So, for my subscribers, they know me very well. That Ford is my pick of the year. Pre-market, pre-stock of the day, Ford Company. Okay, here's a little article that came out yesterday. On Ford. That reads, beyond earnings releases and rating changes by Wall Street analyst Benzinga's pre-market prep show identifies other catalysts that may instigate price action, mostly on the upside. With that in mind, Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F, is the pre-market prep stock of the day. That's me, baby. Ford matches 40-month high retreats. The strong momentum that Ford had to end 2020 carried into over this year. After ending 2020 at 879, the issue bolted to 1362 in March and reversed course. From a long-term perspective, that is unusual price action. That high came just above its January 2018 high of 1332 and attracted profit taking in a big way. That's why the Ford dipped. Okay, because shareholders hadn't seen Ford this high in years. So they were taking profit. Now they're reinvesting and realizing Ford ain't a joke. The issue was attempting to get back in the $13 handle, but then a disappointing first quarter report took the issue to 1243, from 1243 to 1126 on April 29th. Interestingly, the low from that session, 1114, has been the throw of the recent retreat. Let's go forward. Ford creeps higher. Off that low, the issue has begrudgingly moved towards the $12 level. In fact, earlier in Monday's session, the issue made its higher for the rebound at $11.99 and reversed course. As of 10:30 a.m., it found intraday support just under Friday's close of $11.84 and $11.79, and is now revisiting the highs for the session. The stock was up 1.98% at $12.08 at the last check. Okay, look at this. This is nice graph right here. Buyers ahead of electric FT. Wow. Look at that. Okay, and the article goes on, so feel free to do your own DDs. I'm not here to do your DDs for you, but I'm here to shout out my favorite stocks. Okay, and I'm here to thank you sincerely for spending the time that you do with me. Hopefully you stay through the whole video. Um, there's other information that comes up with it, and I tell you, I'm not gonna do your DDs for you guys. I'm not gonna read articles. I'm not gonna do figures. I'm not gonna do none of that. That's for you guys to do. Okay? If you're interested in the stock. I haven't been trading for that long and I know the stocks very well. I think I know the stocks very well. I just don't know when these big money guys are going to be pulling their money out very well. But I'm getting better at that. Here's my babies for the day. Pre-market. I did something yesterday which I feel foolish about doing, but I sold 10 shares of Ford. So now I only have 90, but I do have 14 on my E-Trade, okay? So I still have that 100 that I very bullish on. And look at that. They're up pre-market. Last 5 days. And that's the last month. Last 3 months. 6 months. And a year. And I want to compare them to General Motors and maybe Tesla. So here I have them comparing the General Motors, ticker symbol GM, and it looks like for the last day, for the last 5 days, they're up 6% as opposed to General Motors up 1%. And keep in mind, General Motors is over $50 a share. Okay, so General Motors has them on the last month. 3 months, they're pretty almost even. And there it is there. 6 months. Ford is up 33%. Okay. Now, let's go over some of my pre-market moves real quick, and then I'm out of here. All right, here we go. My webull account. As you can see, I'm up 82 bucks. Okay, my webull account, basically what I did this morning, got up a little bit late. Normally I'm up at 1, but I got up about 2:30 today. I bought 4 AMCs. I bought and I added to General Electric, and I bought ticker symbol WRN, which I've had before. Okay, Western Copper. Take a look at them. Trading just above $2. Okay, copper's on the incline. Sorry about that. And then fuel cell, for you that know them, I love them. I've been trading fuel cell since, man, they were like $3 or $2. Look at Ford, 7%. 7.5% of my money. Okay, and I said they will 10 times my money within a year from now. And a few days ago, I said 11 times because they dropped. Okay? But because of the chip shortage, I'll say 10 times. Climate change, CLII, ticker symbol, CLII, 17 shares. I'm ashamed of that. I should be having 25. Somehow, someway, I'm gonna have 100 of them soon. But I gotta start with 25, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and that's gonna be within the next month, I promise. Right before they get ready to merge, okay? For you that don't know who they are, they're EVgo. Here they are. Climate Change Crisis Real Impact Acquisition Corp. SPAC Merger Partner. EVGO. Reports achieved 250K customer milestone. That was a few days ago. You know, and us as shareholders, for those of you that don't know, we don't own the whole share. Okay? Here's a article that came out on the 10th. What kind of shareholders hold the majority in CLII? Read it. This is interesting. You're going to find some information out in here that, you know, you didn't realize. Okay? Like again, I said, I'm not a professional financial advisor. Do your own DDs. I'm not here to do them for you. But this is a very interesting article. Okay? Tells you everything about the stock. Read it. What their plans are coming up. They're my favorite. They're in cahoots with General Motors, Tesla. I believe it's one of the gas stations. I don't remember offhand. But I tell you, and they're the fastest charging network out there. So, EVgo's the fastest network out there. General Electric has the best turbine windmills out there. Ford, General Motors, Ford Motors has invested the most in the electric vehicle sector, which is 29 billion. General Motors, they're kind of expensive, okay? I'm leaning more on Ford. That's why you don't see General Motors in my portfolio anymore. Okay, who you're going to start seeing is Goodyear Tires. I'm waiting for their dip. Real quick before I get to some Goodyear Tires, this is my positions on my webull account. AMC up, WRN up, GE up, F up, CLN up, CFCEL up, Apex up, Climate down. And you know, normally the pre-market determines your day. Okay, what's up in pre-market normally doesn't finish up, or they skyrocket past their pre-market. Okay, now I'm gonna take you to Goodyear Tires real quick that are trading at about $20, and then I'm out of here. Okay, ticker symbol GT, Goodyear Tires. Probably everybody's had them on their car before. And yes, they are up in pre-market, trading at 20.52 at a little after 4:40 a.m. Okay, let's see what look at what they've done for the last 5 days, the last month. Okay, careful though, because look where they're at as far as the RSI. They're almost oversold. I mean overbought. 3 month, yep, they're high. They're high. They're gonna come down a little. That's when I'm gonna pick them up. I'm gonna try to pick them up somewhere. And let's see. Yeah, hopefully somewhere. Shoot, around here. It'd be nice to get them here. Doubt it though. That's Goodyear Tires. I really screwed up for selling the 100 shares that I had of them, huh? Anyways, okay, real quick about Goodyear Tires. Okay, and this was just yesterday. Goodyear and Ennovis to build Luxembourg's first large solar carport. So what does that mean? Check out the article. It's off Webull. Look it up. I'm sure you can Google it and find out what it says. Okay, but they're also getting ready to get into other areas now besides just the tire industry. Okay, and here they are. Goodyear is one of the world's largest tire companies. It employs about 62,000 people and manufactures its products in 46 facilities in 21 countries around the world. Its two innovations centers in Akron, Ohio, and Kolmenberg, Luxembourg, strive to develop state-of-the-art products and services that set the technology and performance standard for the industry, okay? For more information about Goodyear and its products, go to Goodyear Tires Corporate. There you go, people. There's a direct link to them. Anything you want to know. Okay? Alright, everyone. Thank you for staying through my video. Thank you for hanging out and subscribing, subscribers. I appreciate you guys very much, okay? Reminding you, do your own due diligence. I'm not a professional financial advisor. I gave you a handful of ticker symbols. Use and abuse the tools that help you learn about them to make that ultimate decision. Peace, love, and happiness. Let's make some money and fill that wallet. Peace.